So hi guys, welcome to Working Those Cues. Coming to you with a little bit of a luxury haul. Sorry I've been away. It's been a couple of months, but the holidays are really, busy and hectic, and I just didn't have time to really bring any content. But I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all my subscribers, and I'm going to try to be consistent. You just have to bear with me. But I did want to bring it's kind of like a luxury video and kind of like some of the stuff I got for Christmas. Not everything, but a few things. And I wanted to do this um for like review purposes. A lot of people get the stuff and they don't. I went looking and searching for some things. I found a few things, few videos, but I just wanted to bring um to you guys what I received and talk a little bit about it. And I'll probably later on bring a what's in my bag or whatever, so you can see that too. If you go back last year, I received the Neo Noe, and then I got the Victorine wallet to go with it. So my husband ordered it, and it came in through the mail because the closest one we have is, I think, like 2 hours away, 2 or 3 hours away. So, can anybody guess what it is? Let's see. It is the 6-ring key holder. So, yeah, I wanted this to add to my collection. It's so pretty. I'm trying to do this with one hand, y'all. Bear with me. Look how pretty. Um, I want to say that it is $265 online, and I don't think it was available at the time. I think he called. Well, it was available. It was, because I kept checking, and I was like, well, I know if it's not available, I can call, because that's what I did with my wallet. But yeah, so I think it was like 260 something. I'm not quite sure, but you get a little dust bag. Of course, they gave him a bag. He was like, they was like, "Do you want a bag?" He was like, "Okay, if it's free, yeah." So they sent a bag. And I guess this is like the little authentication card or whatever. But yeah, it's the monogram 6-ring key holder. So I got that as a Christmas gift from the hubby. I had mentioned that I wanted it, and he was able to get it for me. So very appreciative. So that is that. Now, I also have another Christmas gift. I'm so excited, y'all, about this. Um, the hubby gave me this too. He gave me the money to get this. Well, he gave me money, and I decided what I wanted to get with it. And so, I finally, this is something that I've been wanting. I finally was able to get my hands on a Alma PM. Y'all, I've been wanting this bag. I'm so excited. It is a pre-loved. Y'all, it is a bomb pre-loved, y'all. I mean, hardly. It is bomb. It came in bubble wrap. Look at the bottom. I mean, it is in pristine condition. Um, the only thing, I have to run some wax paper on the zipper. It's not as smooth as I would like it to be. Um, but this bag, and I stuffed it with the stuff that it came wrapped in. I just got it in today, y'all. Just got it. I stuffed it. I'm gonna let you guys look at the inside. Y'all, look at the inside. I don't know if you can see. I mean, when I tell you it is clean. This is from France. Made in France. I'm trying to see. Can't really. It's so dark. Made in France. And it was from 2016. Y'all, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Extremely in love with this bag, y'all. I cannot wait to wear this bag. Absolutely gorgeous. I prefer the vintage bags over the new bags. From what I've been, I did my little research on Louis. And from what I understand, the quality unfortunately has went down on the newer ones as far as like the coating and things on the bags. They're peeling and different things. So I would rather a vintage bag. I had a awesome person that I got this from. She has an online boutique. She is validated. She's really good. I got it authenticated, and everything. But she's a very well-known seller, and she has an online boutique through Facebook. So at first I was kind of a little skeptical, nervous, but I mean, when I looked at her reviews and saw other people and saw that she was a well-known seller, I didn't hesitate. I jumped on it because when I tell you I've been looking for a good-looking bag like this, because they're out there, but some of them look a mess and they want all that money for it. But I paid $600 for this bag. This bag I think retails for like $13 or $14 on Fashion Files. Some of them will be like $1,600 in this condition. But yeah. So $600 was an awesome price for this. So I jumped on it. And I am going to. I think I'm just gonna go the pre-love way. From here on out. Unless something pops up new that I want to get or whatever, that they don't have in the pre-love market right now. If it's the same price in the pre-love market as it would be getting it new, then of course I'm gonna get it new. But I'm more interested in the vintage pieces. I have my luxury wish list full of vintage pieces, y'all. Help me, Lord. So yeah, but I cannot wait to wear this bag, y'all. I can't wait. And I love the monogram print. The other print is fine. What is it? The Demir Ebene. I guess that's how you say it. It's fine and everything, but I love the monogram. Beautiful vachetta. Look at that, y'all. Oh, I love it. So yeah, let me stop rambling on. I want to thank you guys for sticking in there, hanging in there with me. I know I'm not as consistent as I should be. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know. I got some other things for Christmas. I don't know if anybody was interested. I don't know. I just brought this because I wanted to have a review. And I'm not done with this bag and everything that I got from Louis because I'm thinking about doing a haul. I know I want to do a what's in my bag with this bag. I have a organizer for it already. I have some things to dress it up with. So I have a bandeau that I want to dress it up with and things like that. So I'm going to come back to you guys with some other videos. But just let me know how you guys like the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see besides the couponing. That's going to happen. I'm going to do my couponing because, baby, Being able to coupon is what make me afford to be able to do this, you know. Get my stuff that I like to have, the couponing is what helps me to save so that I can afford a little bit of luxury every now and then. So I appreciate you guys. If y'all have any questions or comments, as always, please put them below, and I will be back with a what do I have in my bag for this particular bag, and the accessories, how I'm gonna dress it up. So I'll be back to you guys. um it won't be long. So thanks for watching, guys. Questions or comments down below. Please give me a like, subscribe, share with your friends. You guys have a great weekend and a good night. Bye bye. And a happy new year.